Do you have difficulty putting your socks on? If you have hip arthritis or otherwise have limited mobility in your hip, you may find it difficult to either bend down far enough to get your sock on or to lift your leg across like this to put your sock on. You may notice that you have to kind of grab your pant leg and pull it up, or you may notice that you just can't get it there. And if that's the case, then using a simple sock device can be helpful to help you get your socks on. Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Candy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a sock aid to help get your socks on, as well as a simple stretch that you can do to help make it easier to get your socks on. So first of all, how do you use a sock aid? Well, a sock aid looks like this, and you take the sock aid and you put it inside the sock. So you're going to want to put it in that part of the sock. But first you want to ball the sock up. Just like if you're going to put it on your foot, you're going to ball the sock up, and then you put the sock aid in all the way to the front part of the sock. So make sure you get this part all the way to the front. Otherwise, you're going to have a little crinkle hanging out by your toes, and it's not going to be very comfortable when you put it in your shoe. So get it pulled all the way to the front of the sock, and then you also want to make sure that you have the top of the sock at this part. Otherwise, it's going to be crinkled at the top. So make sure you pull the sock all the way out. So that the top part of the sock is at the top of the sock aid. And that way you're not going to have it folded under once you go to pull it on. Then you drop this down on the floor. Slide your toes in, and again, try to get them all the way to the front of the sock. Then you just pull the sock aid up, and it'll kind of slide the sock on your foot. Pull it slowly so that it doesn't slip out too fast. And then you'll see that the sock is almost all the way up. You may have a little crinkle that you have to reach down and undo, but at least you don't have to reach all the way down to your toes. So again, to review that, you take the sock, you ball it up like that, put the sock aid inside, and make sure you get it all the way to the toes. Then take the top part of the sock and make sure that's all the way at the top of the sock aid, that it's not stuffed in there. Then you drop it down on the floor, put your foot in, get your toes all the way to the front of the sock, and then slide it up your foot. Pull slowly enough that it doesn't slip out, and then you've got the sock all the way up. Now mine got caught on the pants here, but slide it out. Now this device also comes with some black suspender looking clips. They just have little alligator clips that click on your pants. If you have trouble putting your pants on as well, you can use those to slide down, put your pants on, pull them up so you can reach. And then they just unclick like that, like that, like that, and like that. But the point I wanted to point out is that you can actually use these. They've got a little loop here. You can use it kind of like a stretching strap. So if you put your foot in the loop here, in the strap, and get it around your ankle like this. Now you can use this to kind of help lift your foot up, and you may be able to pull it all the way up. You may not. That just depends on how stiff your hip is or to what degree of hip arthritis you have. And use that as an assistive to help you lift your leg and kind of slide your heel up your shin like that. this knee should be going outwards. You shouldn't be pulling straight up like this. You want to externally rotate your hip. And doing this helps you improve the mobility in your hip to make it easier to get your leg up like that. So that's getting your socks on, but what do you do about getting your socks back off? Well, there are a couple ways to get your socks back off if you don't have the range of motion to reach down and get them off. The first way is just to step on the toes of your sock and try and pin it down to the floor, and then just use your other foot and kind of pull it out like this. And it's not perfect, but if you work at it a little bit, eventually you can kind of get it pulled off. The other option is just to use a shoehorn. And you do need a little bit longer of a shoehorn if you can't reach down, but there are extendable versions, and I'll put a link to this one in the description below. But you pull your pant leg up, you just stick the shoehorn down in the back of the sock, and then just pry it off like that. So hopefully you found this helpful if you are having difficulty getting your socks on or off. And if you did, you may have trouble with lifting your leg to get in the car, to get into bed, or to put your pants on and off. And if you are, check out these videos over here for more helpful tips. But before you go, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.